Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. Today we're working on a 67 El Camino and we're showing you how to lower the rear end. We're putting new rear springs on and new rear shocks. And I just want to give a shout out to Dick Robinson. Thank you very much for giving us those parts and sponsoring our program today. So thank you, Dick, and we really appreciate all those parts you gave Isaiah, and looking forward to getting them all on the car. So let's get started.
What is up, guys?
All right, so what are we doing, Isaiah?
Lowering my back end. We're gonna take these coils off and get rid of our air ride suspension on here and put new shocks and coils on.
Yeah, and who do we have to thank?
Dick from Cars and Coffee.
Yeah. Thanks, Dick. We'll show you what he gave us. Awesome stuff. No charge. Awesome guy. We're gonna buy some parts from him. But he gave us a bunch of parts for free, and we're gonna upgrade Isaiah's suspension here. Out here.
Yeah, so he gave us these brand new shocks. You know, Edlebrock, super nice. Get rid of my air ride suspension with these.
So this is the front, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and then we got the big sway bar for the front end.
Big heavy sway bar.
Yeah. I have one up there, but it's not nearly as beefy.
And it's probably half the size.
Yeah. And then we got
yep.
these coils, stock coils. So.
And then those are brand new rear coils, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so those are stock size, but because of the way they go in, we can cut them. Looks like someone was gonna cut them, right?
Yeah.
Because
they marked them off.
Yeah. But we're gonna put them in the stock size so we see how much room the back end goes down at all with these shocks. And then we'll go from there, and then we can take it down and cut them. Yeah, we could actually probably cut them right on the car too.
Yeah.
So who do we got to thank?
Yeah, thanks, Dick, for all of this. Is great. This is probably like $450 in parts right here.
Yeah.
And he just gave it to us. So.
Yeah. Thanks, Dick.
Yeah.
Show us what you're using there.
So we're using this penetrant WD-40. Get in here with the coil. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So we're just gonna spray that one bolt because that's the only bolt that we have to undo there, and over here on the shock as well.
Nice.
And get up in there.
Save all the parts coming off. No, don't use your hand because of this leverage on it. You want to use a pry bar.
Alright. Air out of there right first. Would that be a smart thing to do or no?
I think it'll probably just come off if you just start prying. Easy. Alright, so we may have to take the other side down. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
And then take those top bolts off.
Yeah. Alright, so we're under the car, and he's got air shocks on there right now, which are pretty cool, but they're really stiff. They're not like cushy at all. Good for a truck. Maybe we'll put them on my truck. I don't know. Definitely gonna save them. Well, longer extension. Oh, you got one loose?
Yeah.
Is the other one loose?
No, not yet.
There's the air fill. Okay, so see that air line right there?
Yeah. Can't let it pull tight.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, so try unscrewing that air line gently.
I got it.
Gentle, because it's gonna let air out. Unless there's no air in it. I thought I put air in it.
No, it's like.
All right, so we're taking that bottom bolt off of the spring there. Go ahead and Isaiah's got it almost all the way off. There we go. A little easier than the truck, huh?
Yeah,
It's only 3 years difference, but don't take it off yet. We're gonna lower the rear end to get that out. All right, let's see how it goes. The other side's still connected, so let's see what happens here.
Yeah.
All right, stop. All right, just fell out. Grab it. Watch your fingers. Let's compare them.
Oh yeah, no, the other one's
one's
smaller,
shorter, huh?
Yeah, the other ones are smaller. Definitely. Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, so it's about an inch.
Yeah, it's a coil shorter, but
Yeah. Cool. And he's got a 4-link rear end too. That's cool.
there we go. Little piece.
That's just for anti-vibration and or noise.
And then
Cup.
cup.
Show them how the cup sits.
So right where this, I guess you would call it like a teardrop,
Yeah.
right? Where the corner of the teardrop goes. You're gonna want to put it right at the end of the coil, right there. So like right there, and then bolt, and then bolt it tight.
All right. So
And get it tight.
let's
top to line
tighten.
up.
Let's tighten it, and then we'll get. Did you get the other one started? Did you get it started?
It's on there.
Okay. Did you put the lock washer on?
Yep.
Okay, so this bottom bolt is 3/4. Okay.
All right.
Hey, you wanna clean those before you put them back on? Oh yeah. That'll do it. Nice.
Oh man. Yeah, I'll get a rag.
Yeah, like a little spray. All right, so we got the new spring sitting in the right spot, and now we're gonna put the shock on. Full red car. 67 Elko, baby. Whoop whoop. Right next to 67 Chevelle 496 Super Sport. Oh yeah. Be careful with that boot. I'm gonna rip it. Those are nice Edlebrock shocks, man. We should just go online and Summit and see how much those actually cost. I bet they're I bet they're like
pretty
250 plus. And Dick said he didn't like these on there because his car rode too stiff. So when he bought his 65, it came with these on there. And he
just got to break them in, you know.
Factory ones, yeah. Well, we want this car to handle good, so. Oh yeah. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna install the brand new shock. Edlebrock. We're gonna.
These threads don't even fit in there.
Yeah, it is. There you go.
Okay.
All right, see, now up there you got to turn those. We got to pull that down or just reach up there. Here, I'll do it. And turn them. Hand me that. Can you push it in a little bit towards the center of the car? There you go.
I mean, I could do it if you want.
Yeah, you could probably get more leverage. Go ahead and squeeze. All right, see if I can do it while we're doing it. I'm doing this. Oh, you missed it. Oh, man.
There you go. Keep going.
Okay, hang on. All right. Half inch. Put your finger on top to lock the bolt, get the bolt from turning. Go ahead and you got that one going, right? That's good. You did good. Go ahead and get the other one started. Right there to your right hand. There you go.
Ooh, that crunch position did not feel good.
Oh, you're getting old already.
Just don't have abs.
So you're saying I don't get abdominal pain because I don't have abs?
More smart than that.
Okay, so we're gonna get that bolt, and these look nice in here.
Yes.
All right, so we'll snug those down, and then let's put that bolt, this bolt right here.
On the other side, yeah.
Yeah. Is there a lock washer that goes on that? And then that's gonna go on this side here. Yeah. And then there should be a lock washer and a nut that goes here.
I don't know where those are. Oh.
They're on the tailgate, I think. I think they're on the tailgate.
It keeps it much tighter. That's gonna
Lower.
That's gonna drop it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Is there a lock washer up here too?
There's no air on this shock. Look at the other side. There's a lot of tire missing right now. I think you dropped it about 2 inches, Isaiah.
And that's with the other side being
It's still up. I don't think it hit.
Get it, Bo. Here, one more time. Ready? Shh. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on, you can do better. Come on. Shh. Mine. Mine. Get it, Bo. We'll work on it. We'll work.
Guys, thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe. Hit the post notification. That's the little bell that'll let you know when more videos are released. The second they're released, so you can stay tuned and see what cool projects we're working on. So we lowered the El Camino today, and it dropped it about 4 or 5 inches, and we rolled and tucked the fenders. So we had to do that for the clearance, but we really appreciate you watching. So stay tuned for the next episode. We'll be working on I'm not sure what we're going to be working on. We got a lot of different projects going on right now. So thanks, guys. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.